Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate bulk purchase invoice in Fresa Application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After successfully login, this is our dashboard looks like. Now go to the documentation module and click All Jobs menu. On the job screen, enter the required job number and click Submit button. And click on Edit icon. On the job page, navigate to the Costing tab and click Add button. Here enter the charge details. And enter the cost details like vendor name, reference number, and amount. Click Save and Close button. Now generate on Bulk Purchase Invoice button. On this page, click on Generate Purchase Invoice button. And close the tab. And refresh the job page. The purchase invoice will now be generated. These are the steps to generate bulk purchase invoice in Fresa Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.